Collaborative partnership model, a community collaboration. Although the attrition rate for females has decreased drastically over the last 35 years by 41%, there is still a concern regarding the need for additional support. During the transition from elementary to middle school, this move to a different school environment negatively impacts the academic performance of at-risk minority female students. To reverse this trend in education, schools must implement programs to assist these students who are more likely to drop out. Many students are dropping out of school due to a lack of emotional and academic support needed to be successful during their adolescent years, which often leads to teenage pregnancy, as well as students not completing high school. As a result, they're more likely to have a higher unemployment rate and receive public assistance. According to the 16-17 data report from the Texas Tribune, the dropout rates of African American and Hispanic female students specifically were 2.3 and 2.8% respectively, out of a total of 5,385,012 students. Students need access to people and resources to help them flourish and decrease the dropout rate and disciplinary problems in the classroom environment. The CHARM mentoring program was implemented on the campus of Lufkin Middle School in Lufkin, Texas in 2013 to address the needs for culturally responsive support for at-risk minority female students. The rationale for the CHARM program, creating honest and respectable role models, mentoring program, resulted from school experiences and time spent mentoring and counseling the young ladies at Lufkin Middle School. There was a need to provide at-risk minority females with a program that gave a voice and allowed them to serve in the school community. These students needed a program that would provide them with the social and emotional skills necessary to express themselves in a better manner, as well as navigate through their high school years. The founder of the program is Daphne Truscott. She has 20 years in education and is currently pursuing her doctoral degree at Baylor University. She has served in at-risk schools for the last 20 years, working with students from diverse backgrounds, and saw the need to implement a program that would give them that voice, but also give them the tools needed to be successful in and outside of the classroom, as well as a connection to the community. Her partners for this program are Tangela Kegler, who is in her 10th year of education at North Shore Middle School. She serves as a mentor teacher as well as her campus liaison. Ms. Kegler also has a bachelor's and a master's from Stephen F. Austin. She's in the doctoral program at Capella University and also has her administration from Stephen F. Austin. We also have Monet Bean, who is currently an assistant principal in Spring ISD. She has her master's from Stephen F. Austin University and also served as a mentor during the program during her undergraduate years and is now looking to serve as one of the partners to implement it in her school district as well. The vision of the program was to establish a platform that allowed adolescent minority female students to discover who they are as a person and provide them with the self-efficacy skills needed for success beyond high school. One of the objectives was to provide students with the skills needed for success, and when this is done, we should see a decrease in disciplinary problems, improved academics, as well as more students graduating from high school. Another objective was to help these young ladies establish a sense of pride and belonging in the community. Some of the key outcomes of this would be community service, leadership roles on campus, as well as a buddy program at the elementary level. Partnerships for the mentoring program were with Stephen F. Austin State University and the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority on that campus. They served as mentors for the program, coming in, working with the students on leadership, team building, as well as telling their stories and journeys to getting to college and what helped them get there and who helped them get there. There is also a partnership with Walmart, who was very gracious to give us all of our supplies. They provided snacks as well as any equipment and supplies that we needed for the program. Sam's Club also was a partner. They were really instrumental in giving us donations as well as any supplies that we needed from there as well. Communities and Schools is where Ms. Kegler worked at the time, and we've stayed in contact with them to serve as a partner with us, just to give us resources and things. 21st Century is who we have here in the Houston area that is really excited about partnering with us once we get the specifics worked out. But due to COVID-19, we're limited on how much we can do, but it is still in the process. The school districts are Galena Park ISD, Spring ISD, and Yes Prep North Forest. Some of the activities that we participate in is community service, going around the community, working with the elementary schools when they have trash pickup days. We've also gone into the schools and worked as big buddies for the students, going in, reading with them, helping with the homework, letting them see the impact that they can have on the community. And also a picture of the young ladies as we started the program. Intended outcomes. These are some of the young ladies as they graduated from high school and got accepted into college. That is the main goal of the program, is to get these ladies through high school, give them tools they need to either go into a trade or go on to college to pursue a career. So that is the main focus of the program, is to get them to understand the importance of education and give them the tools needed to navigate and graduate. All activities and events were funded through local donations. We had community sponsors who helped us with etiquette classes, team building activities, working in the nursing home. We also had bridging ceremonies for the ladies as they crossed over at the end of the year.